In this video, we are going to see about regulation of three-phase saline pole alternator by slip test. So, the aim of the experiment is to predetermine the regulation of three-phase saline pole alternator by conducting the slip test. So, next, what are the apparatus we require for this experiment are ammeter and voltmeter. So, ammeter is nothing but it is used to measure a current, and voltmeter is nothing but it is used to measure an voltmeter. And next thing, this is an motor and alternator, and the next thing is auto transformer, and auto transformer is used mainly for the adjustment of line voltages and to either change its value or to keep it constant. Here we are using the auto transformer to adjust the voltages, and it looks like this only, auto transformer. Next thing is rheostat. Rheostat adjustable resistor used in applications that requires the adjustment of current or varying of the resistance in an electric circuit. Here why we are using the rheostat means to vary the speed of an motor by adjusting the rheostat, and this is a rheostat. And next thing is circuit. We are going to see about the circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram, so there will be a 220 volt DC supply. Plus is a phase and minus is a neutral. Next thing is we are connected to a DPST switch. After that we have to connect our wire to a 3-point starter. Okay. So from the phase we are connected to L point, and the other end of an A is connected to a motor side A1, and A2 is connected to a neutral side. Okay. So in this F we are connected to a rheostat F1 and F2. After here this is an alternator. So in this alternator there will be R, Y and B. So for this R and YB we are connecting, the other end is connected to an auto transformer. Three sides. So R is connected to an R side of an auto transformer, B connected to, and Y also connected to the auto transformer. So here the R, in between the R and the auto transformer we are connecting an ammeter to measure an current, and the voltmeter is connected across an R and N. And next thing is we are connecting our one ammeter across this field F1 and F2, field winding F1 and F2. After that there will be an RYB supply 415 volt 50 Hz. Okay, that's all about this circuit diagram. And next we are going to see about the procedure. So connections are given as per the circuit diagram, and confirm that the alternator field is in open condition. Next we have to give the supply by closing the DPST switch. So using the 3-point starter, start the motor to run at a synchronous speed by varying the motor field rheostat. Apply 20 to 30% of voltage to the armature by adjusting the auto transformer. So to obtain the slip and maximum oscillation of the pointer, the speed is reduced slightly. After we are noting down all the readings, we have to reduce the speed of the motor. Note down the maximum current, maximum voltage and minimum voltage. Okay. So first these are the procedures. So how we have to calculate our tabulation maximum or minimum means, first of all we have to take first DC supply. Okay, DPST switch wants to be on. Next 3-point starter very slowly to start the machine run. Once the machine started to run, turn on the auto transformer. To vary auto transformer we will get the voltage also will get vary. Okay, so vary the rheostat, the voltage and the current starts the oscillations. When we are varying our rheostat, the speed of the motor also vary. Okay, so at that time we have to note down our voltage and current in this voltmeter and the ammeter. In this voltmeter and ammeter there will be some oscillation, deflection will be there. Okay, so at that time we have to note down that maximum voltage and maximum current in this tabulation, and minimum voltage and minimum current. Like this way we have to vary the rheostat and we have to vary the auto transformer. According to that the voltage and the current will be will get the maximum and the minimum point. Like this way we have to note down in our tabulations. Okay, after we are note down it, we have to slowly reduce to an 0 in this auto transformer, and also in the reverse state change to minimum position to closed. So that's all about this Salin pole alternator. Thank you.